It's only this one that makes noise. That's kind of consistent noise too. Alright, so what's going on with the belt? Top. Oh! Go underneath first. Get that slack out of there. Like bearing grease?
Yeah, anything.
Yeah, I should.
Brown, whatever.
It's in there. I think it was in the cabinet, but I just used it for the brakes, so.
Here we go.
I don't think it goes like that. It probably goes on this way. Yeah, I probably should have looked at a belt on how to route this, whatever. But I'll just guess it. Looks good to me. I get this one on the bottom here. And then put the top one after. Too much. So it'll be easier to do this. Take it off there. Put it on the bottom here. And then I can just kind of pull it. I'm just gonna pull it tight after that. Let me double check. I'm actually surprised there's not a routing diagram, a belt diagram under there. Go above that bar. Now you just gotta pull on it.
Now we shove on it a little bit.
Yeah, just push it a little.
Pull it so that it's not going to spin when I give it the yank you're going to give it. And then, yeah, that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I can spin it. Don't get your finger in there.
Yeah,
I did. I was going to finish.
I got my finger in there. It felt great.
And then what, this one?
Well, that one's just kind of easy, yeah.
Same thing, right? Over that?
No. It's gonna go here, like this. It's not on the inside in there. It's not on this one. I'll take that off to get to it. Fuck it. Do that.
Is that right? Still too high.
Hey, right there. Slide it back now. Yep.
Like that?
Yep. Alright, there we go. So, Pretty simple. Small belt goes on top, big belt goes on the bottom. I didn't have enough room before because it slipped down off the pulley back here. It slipped down, it was hanging on the case. So once I put that back up there,